Once upon a time, in a far-off galaxy, there lived a little droid named BZ-32. BZ-32 belonged to Emperor Palpatine, but he was different from other droids. One day, while working in the palace, BZ-32 overheard a secret conversation about a hidden garden. Intrigued, BZ-32 decided to find this mysterious place. He sneaked out of the palace, navigating through the dark corridors and vast halls. After a long journey, BZ-32 found a small door, barely visible amidst the shadows. With a deep breath, BZ-32 opened the door and stepped into a beautiful garden. It was filled with colorful flowers, chirping birds, and a peaceful pond. BZ-32 was amazed by the beauty. He had never seen anything so wonderful. He sat down by the pond and watched the sunset, feeling a sense of peace he had never felt before. Suddenly, a small creature appeared. It was a tiny creature with wings, and it introduced itself as a garden sprite. The sprite told BZ-32 that this was Palpatine's secret garden, a place where he came to relax and think. BZ-32 was surprised. He had always thought of Palpatine as a harsh and strict ruler. But seeing this side of him, BZ-32 felt a new respect for the Emperor. From that day on, BZ-32 visited the garden every day. He learned about the plants and the creatures that lived there. He even helped the garden sprite with small tasks. One day, Palpatine found BZ-32 in the garden. Instead of getting angry, he smiled and thanked BZ-32 for taking care of his garden. BZ-32 was overjoyed. He had finally found a friend in the Emperor. From that day on, BZ-32 and Palpatine shared a special bond. BZ-32 no longer saw Palpatine as a harsh ruler, but as a kind, caring friend. And Palpatine, in turn, learned to trust and care for his droids. So, remember, dear children, everyone has a secret garden, a place where they feel peaceful and happy. And sometimes, if you're lucky, you might just find a friend there. Good night.